In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sidebar to Shopify blog pages. A sidebar is a great way to help readers explore your content, highlight important categories, and keep visitors engaged longer. We'll walk through the process inside your Shopify admin and use the theme editor to place a sidebar with helpful widgets like recent posts, categories, and tags. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Online Store, then Themes. This is where all of your theme settings live. Find your current theme at the top of the page and click Customize. That opens the theme editor, which lets you adjust layout, sections, colors, and content while seeing a live preview of your store. Next, navigate to a blog page inside the editor. Look for the page selector near the top of the editor. This is usually a drop-down where you can choose different templates to preview. Switch it to a blog page so the editor loads the layout and options specific to your blog. This is important because sidebars are often template-specific and only appear on pages that support them. If your theme supports sidebars on blog pages, you'll see an option to add one. Click Add Section and choose Sidebar. The exact naming can vary slightly between themes, but it's typically called Sidebar or Blog Sidebar. If you don't see the option, your theme may not include a sidebar for blog templates. In that case, check your theme documentation to confirm what's available. With the sidebar in place, start adding widgets. Recent Posts is a popular choice because it keeps your newest content within easy reach. Categories can help readers jump to the topics they care about most, and tags let you group posts by specific themes or keywords. As you add widgets, use the settings panel to adjust their order and appearance. You can often rename headings, choose how many items to display, and decide whether to show dates or counts. Keep the number of items reasonable so the sidebar feels helpful, not overwhelming. A clean, focused set of links typically performs best. As you make changes, watch the live preview and switch between desktop and mobile views to ensure the sidebar looks good on all devices. Consistent headings, clear labels, and a logical order will make navigation feel intuitive. That's all there is to it. By going to Online Store, opening Customize, viewing a blog page, adding a sidebar if your theme supports it, and placing widgets like recent posts, categories, or tags, you'll create a blog layout that's both attractive and useful for your readers.